Now that you've got this part created, we can hide our measurements, and we're going to create holes equally spaced along the X direction 1 inch apart. And we're going to create holes along the Y direction 1 inch apart. Do you know how many holes we can create in both directions? To duplicate this part or hole, you simply highlight the hole and we go to the tab called Transform. You'll find the rectangular pattern, and there's the first direction and then there's the second direction. We'll start with the first direction. You'll notice that the pop-up window already has the hole picked. The reference element. Last time we did this, I selected a line to go in that direction. But if I select a face, it will define X and Y direction. And currently you see it says there's 2 instances. It's at a spacing of 784. I'll type in 1 and hit preview. And you can see that hole. And I can just keep hitting the up arrow. And we'll just see how many holes we can stick in there. Did you come up with 7 or 8 holes? Oh God, come on, why are you? I'm trying to rotate this part here. Slide this over. I have 8 holes, it looks like. I know from this plane to here, it's a 1/2 inch. But what is the distance from this edge to here? We'll measure that in a second. But let's go to the second limit. And that goes in this direction. And again, I'll change my spacing to 1. And I'll hit the up arrow. Or hit preview just to see it. And then hit the up arrow. And you can see all the holes being duplicated. And we'll select OK. Alright. Now, you might want to double check this and make sure it came out correct under the tools measure item or between. I want to get the center of this hole to this edge. We got to pull our measurements out of hide. And this distance is correct. It's a 1/2 inch. That's what we were looking for. So, wait a minute. Did that hole not go up to next? Oh, I just didn't have it rotated enough. Oh, wait. That looks really weird. I've never seen that. Why would it be doing that? I don't know what's going on. I'm just trying to show you the whole pattern here. The other thing we would need to verify is measure between. And I'm going to select the center of this. Select the center of this hole to the edge of this part, and that also should be a 1/2 inch. And we've just confirmed that this part is correct. All right. When you're done with that, you can hide your measurements because it's kind of hard to see everything. Finish this by going to the view, ISO view, fit all in, and save it just like that.